This is Clickbot. Cute, right? Clickbot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. Clickbot is an entire universe. See, this is also Clickbot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also Clickbot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine, and this one serves snacks. Now, these are not separate robots, they're all just one Clickbot. See, Clickbot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, Clickbot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, Clickbot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. Clickbot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. Clickbot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? Clickbot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. Blocky by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The Clickbot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. Clickbot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? Clickbot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives, with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is Clickbot. Cute, right?
As summer heat is on the rise, so too is humidity and pollution levels, causing dust mites, mold, and allergens to thrive. Meet Irby Air, an innovative all-in-one dehumidifier and air purifier that regulates humidity and cleans the air of pollutants through its eco-friendly biofiltration process. Using its powerful yet discreet fans, Irby circulates the air in the room, amplifying the plant's microorganisms' ability to break down more pollutants into safer compounds. Also, excess humidity is extracted from the air, which is cleverly used to water your plant when it is thirsty. What's more, it eliminates the invisible dust mites and mold particles around you, creating healthier, fresher air that's safer for you and your family. We hid all of this amazing technology in one of the most natural, easy to care for displays possible. Irby can store up to 3 liters of water with a built-in drainage system and is equipped with smart sensors connected to an app that keeps track of pollution, temperature, and humidity levels. We've also added LED mood-adjusting lights, which allows you to create a warm, welcoming ambiance anywhere in your home.
My goal is to encourage everyone to plant more and to bridge the connection between nature and the urban world. Imagine, with all the pollution outdoors, indoor air pollution can be 5 times more toxic, and that's according to the World Health Organization. As a passionate architect and a product designer, I wanted to create something that is similar in how nature purifies its own air. It took around 2 years to make Irby sustainable and energy efficient with a unique decorative design. We have our final prototype and suppliers ready, so with your backing, we will be ready to go for production and make Irby a reality.
This was our daily routine. We searched for solutions and we found sleep training clocks. We tried several, but inevitably after a few days they would stop working. The kids didn't know how much time was left. They thought it was broken, or they complained that it would never change colors. They didn't understand the concept of time. We were exhausted.
One day when we were watching Netflix, I realized my 3-year-old could tell the movie was almost over. When she saw the timer bar was almost to the end, she said, "Can we finish it? It's almost done." She was understanding the concept of time because she could see it. This sparked my idea for adding a visual timer to a sleep trainer.
Introducing Palli, the sleep training clock with a visual countdown timer. Palli comes with the visual timer, reward drawer, sound machine, backup rechargeable battery, Bluetooth, more than 10 nightlight colors, customizable schedules, and more.
Palli works because kids can actually see time moving. As the circle gets smaller, no more early morning wake-up calls with them asking, "How much longer? Is it time yet?" It's never lighting up.
As the timer finishes, the reward drawer unlocks, allowing kids to get their incentive for waiting. Recent studies suggest a reward system can help your kids create new habits, and they're actually excited to do it. Something as simple as a sticker can give just enough incentive to change their behavior.
Combined with a fully customizable schedule that allows Palli to sleep, wake, nap, and play with your child. A nightlight with a range of bright, fun colors. And the ability to use a simple app to set the alarms, the schedule, the lights, and sounds directly from your phone. Palli is a sleep trainer that really works.
Our kids went from waking up in the 5 o'clock hour to sleeping until after 7 and playing in their rooms for even longer.
If you need more peaceful mornings, Palli can help you too. Back us today on Kickstarter. We hope you'll join us because
happy tykes make for happy nights.
At OrbitKey, we believe that life is better when everything has its place. Because when it doesn't, we find ourselves spending time rummaging through mess looking for things, when we'd much rather be organised and productive. So we set out to find a solution. Introducing Nest, the portable and customisable desk organiser for all your everyday essentials. Nest is designed to help you declutter and work more efficiently wherever you are. Following 3 successful crowdfunding campaigns where we transformed key and accessory organisation, we're back to bring beautiful organisation to your work. The lid serves as a premium leather tray, creating a dedicated place for your essentials, with a built-in wireless charger that keeps devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. Inside, movable dividers allow you to customise compartments to suit your specific needs. And with everything neatly organised in a shallow compartment, you'll easily locate items at a glance and know instantly if something is missing. Nest features a smart, dual-function hinge system for maximum versatility. The top tray separates from the internal storage for convenient access while you work. Or simply flip it open like a book for quick access on the go. And as for those cards that you don't use often, store them in the lid to free up space in your wallet. Also included is an elastic pouch for smaller items that tend to go astray. And finally, the adjustable pen loop ensures you always have easy access to a pen when you need it. Nest is carefully crafted from premium materials. The foam padded interior will keep your belongings safe and protected as you go about your daily commute. Available in 2 timeless colourways, black and ash, the OrbitKey Nest makes the perfect home for your everyday essentials.
I'm Charles, co-founder of OrbitKey. Our humble beginnings started here on Kickstarter 6 years ago, and this will be our 4th campaign to date. Our community thrives on your open-mindedness and enthusiasm towards new and innovative products. This is why we continue to launch our latest creations here. From our experience of running crowdfunding campaigns, we know it is a long process in the lead-up to delivering the end products to you, which is why we've actually done all the preparation for mass production prior to launching Nest. With your help, we could fund the very first production run of Nest and continue focusing on creating thoughtful products to help you organize better, without the influence of the external investors. Our vision at OrbitKey has always been to create clever organization for better living, and we hope to have you join us on this journey. On behalf of the team at OrbitKey, thank you.
We're Mod Devices. We were born on Kickstarter 6 years ago, and since then, we have launched 2 successful products and an entire platform. Now, I am proud to introduce the ModWalk. At first glance, it looks just like a badass stompbox, but it's so much more than that. Our devices offer the experience of a regular pedal, but with the versatility of a computer or a smartphone. You can download plugins with one click and create patches as complex as you wish. And then you can take it to the stage, standalone, without the aid of a computer or a tablet. It has everything for guitar and bass players. It is mighty smart. It allows for fast interactions, better control, and quicker results. It is so powerful. No other direct competitor can handle the amount of simultaneous plugins or routing possibilities as the ModWalk. It is small and sturdy, enough to hit the road, in your pedalboard, or inside your gig bag. You can create and change on the fly, using the knobs and the push buttons. Or connect to the graphical interface and let it blow your mind with all the possibilities that no other standalone devices were ever able to offer. We have created the Mod Duo, the Mod Duo X, and now it's time. This is the product we've always wanted to make.
The Dwarf aims to be like an affordable, finalized commercial product that you can use, that can you rely on. So it makes it easier for users and also for developers to work together.
Share your patches online and download patches from other musicians with one click. Or create your own plugins with our free tools. Yeah, you can even make your own effects. There is an open world out there. Join today thousands of musicians and audio developers. Let's take the community even further. Tell your friends and family. Make your pledge and back the ModWalk.